The 2011 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, CD changer, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless entry, cruise control, Bluetooth, AM/FM stereo with CD player, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, rear defrost, universal garage door opener, premium sound system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.